What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm giving you a quick, and I mean quick, how-to on your S2000. So do you have an issue where your dome lights don't want to work when you open the door, but they work when you just click the button? So you can see my dome lights work when I hit the buttons. I got LEDs in here and they work just fine, but the issue being that when I open the door, nothing. So let me show you how to fix that really quick. So first things first, just take like a little flathead screwdriver like this, like a small tipped one, and up here you're gonna see that there is two little divots right there and right there. You can kind of see the edges are kind of pried away a little bit because I've been in here before when I was installing the LEDs. So you're just gonna take your little screwdriver and pop them loose just like that. And by doing so, it will let you grab this thing down. Be careful, don't want to break it. So now that that is off, with that off, you got access to that Phillips head screw right there and that Phillips head screw right up next to that bulb. Take those off next. So just get yourself a Phillips screwdriver, or in this case I do believe those are 10mm bolt heads as well, so dealer's choice on that one. So pull that out. Pull the second bolt out. So now we can undo this and it will just drop right out. So undo that connector. Okay, now that this piece is out, we can go take this to the table and we can take it apart. So your next thing you're going to be taking apart is these two Phillips head screws right there and right there. And underneath this plastic piece is the actual switch, which has electrical contacts that are probably just corroded. Once this thing's loose, kind of just gently pry this up so the switch itself can come out, but there is going to be on the left side, let me see if it'll zoom in and pick it up. So on the left side, there's like the cylinder looking part of plastic that's over there. So in that is a spring with two. If you do take it all the way out, just don't lose those. All we're here for is these two copper contacts. Now, if you'll see, mine are actually clean because I just cleaned those before I filmed this video, but literally all you got to do is you can take that small flathead and just pull that right up, or even get your fingernail underneath it because it's only held in with spring tension to push it against the contacts on the bottom of this piece. So go ahead, clean those contacts that are right there as well. Clean the contacts on top of this copper piece on each of the four ball heads, and then you can go ahead and reassemble this guy. Now we can take this part, slap this back in the car, and we should be in business. Now thankfully the install is very easy. Obviously it's just the opposite of removal, so you'll hook your clip back in, you'll take your Phillips head screws, and you will just tuck this guy right back up in there, just like this. With our screws in place, go ahead, take your clear plastic cover, and that just kind of presses right up into position, just like that. So now if you did it right, go ahead, open the door, and we got our dome lights fixed. Hopefully that helped you. This is a very short video for my normal type of videos on my channel. But every now and again I like to pop in and give a quick instructional. So there you guys go. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, let me know in the comments down below. Do what you love. Forget about the rest. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.